we're going to discuss lockdown money, right? We're going to discuss some things that you can do if you're in a tight squeeze for a little cash, okay? So let's get started. Let's do this. Welcome to my channel. My name is Charles Diggs. Well, right here I discuss um, different businesses or business strategies for the regular guy. Why don't you just like my video and subscribe? Okay. So now let's get started. Let's get started about lockdown money. Okay. What do you need to do if you're in a bind, right? There's some things that you can do if you're in a tight squeeze for money, especially in this time that we are in right now, right? Okay, so I'm going to share you my screen here. One of the things that you can do uh, if you're in a squeeze or you're in a tight for some money, you can start selling. Start selling on eBay. Okay, this is a perfect opportunity. If you want to start making money online and you're a newbie, start selling on eBay. Okay, maybe you have something to offer. Uh, Maybe you got some things in the house that you may not need anymore, you may not want anymore. Now, I know back in the day, we used to have, garage sales and yard sales and stuff, but right now, you can do this stuff online. You can sell clothing, you can sell electronics, you can sell toys, comic books, all types of different things that you may not want anymore. If you need some quick cash, eBay is your ticket right here. Over 182 million shoppers want to buy your stuff. You just go on eBay, open up an account, right? And you can just start selling. I did this several years ago with certain things like electronics and different other items, and I was successful, and I made a few $100s here and there, and it helps. It helped, especially if you're in a bind, right? And so you can open up an eBay account and you can start selling. This also helps you to have those easy, quick wins, being successful online if you're just a newbie. Start on eBay, okay? eBay is a great place to start. The next place, the next place to, if you're in a bind, the next place you can go to start making money is Upwork. Okay, Upwork is a platform for freelancers. All right, maybe you have a certain type of skill set. Maybe you can do web design, or you're a graphic artist, or you're a writer. Certain type of businesses need work to be done. They may have different types of projects that qualifies for different people to work on. So they may be looking for people to work on their projects. If, like I said, if you have the skill set, of a graphic designer, or you can build websites, or you can make logos, or you're a writer, you can write articles. Businesses look for that. Okay, business owners look for freelancers with these skill sets. So why don't you take advantage of it if you have those? Okay, especially if you're in a bind, Upwork is a place that you can make money. You can get those quick wins, those easy wins, if you have the skill set that's necessary, if you have the skill sets that business owners are looking for. Now, I don't have it here, but Fiverr is also a platform that you can go to if you have a skill set that people need, okay, for your service. Now, the last platform I want to take a look at is Successful Solution Method. This is the program that I'm involved in. This is his website, okay? And this is another opportunity. If you're a newbie and you seriously need some income, come here. If you're a newbie and you want to be successful online, come to this platform. This is where that you can get some easy wins by completing income producing tasks, different tasks that you do on a daily basis. You can get paid for doing daily tasks. You can get paid for doing daily tasks. Okay, as I just want to just let you look at the website. So the biggest challenge people face in generating income online is getting results without wasting time. See, that's one thing about Successful Solution Method. You won't be wasting time, okay? You will be able to start, do daily tasks, and get paid for them, okay? So these are just a few ways that you can make money during this time of lockdown, okay? If you're in a crunch for some cash, go on eBay, go to Upwork, or go to Successful Solution Method. Take action. That's the thing. If you need some money, take action, okay? That's very important. I thank you for joining me today. Thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Charles Diggs. If you want to discuss more about lockdown money, just comment down below. So thank you for joining my channel. You have a blessed day.